Glenn Williams' finest.
Gareth Prince is a qualified lawyer. He's also Rastafarian. He says that he's been prevented from joining the Law Society because of his culture and daily use of cannabis. For 20 years, he's fought South African courts to get cannabis decriminalized, saying that equality laws should also protect his way of life.
The greater victory is for the people of South Africa, in the sense that, because Rastafari has always advocated that cannabis is for the healing of not just the South African people, but for all people in the world. And our philosophy is that we must make use of what we have in order to get what we want. And we have an abundance of cannabis.
The Rastafarian community in Cape Town says cannabis is a religious and cultural sacrament. People here say they were often victims of police raids in the past. Now they can smoke and grow what they call a religious herb freely. While it will take up to 2 years for laws to be officially changed, it's now legal to grow cannabis and consume it privately, but still illegal to sell or buy it.
This is Long Street in Cape Town. It's known for its vibrant nightlife and as a place to buy cannabis and other drugs. If you're found with cannabis on you, police can't arrest you because possessing small amounts of cannabis is legal. But because this is a public area, you can't smoke it here, nor can you buy it. South Africa's police minister says the new cannabis laws will make policing more difficult.
Police Minister BHEKI says that if it were up to him, cannabis, or dagga, as it's known in South Africa, would still be illegal.
What amount that you are supposed to keep for consumption, and when do we begin to arrest you because you have an extra amount in your house? So those are the things that will have to work, but it's going to make the work of the South African police absolutely difficult.
But many in the Rastafarian community say the new law is just the beginning, and that small backyard plantations should be expanded to allow for the proper farming and sale of cannabis. They say it will help the economy.
Cannabis is a source of life for thousands of people in the ghetto, and we don't apologize for that. We, as a matter of fact, are not the coalface of the drug industry. No, it's not. It's tobacco and alcohol.
Prince says now that using cannabis is legal, there's nothing stopping him from practicing law. Fahmida, Al Jazeera, Cape Town.